Hey, what's up guys, welcome to the video. In this video, I will show you how to fix the iPhone unavailable or security lockout screen by resetting the iPhone directly from the lock screen without using a computer, without iTunes and without any third-party software. I will also explain why this screen appears, why resetting is the only solution, and what happens to your data before and after the reset. If your iPhone is stuck on this screen, watch this video carefully from start to end. So let's get started. Before we start, quick recommendation. If you are using an iPhone, this screen protector is worth checking out. It's the Powlexa tempered glass, real 9-edge military-grade protection, crystal clear display, and smooth touch. The auto alignment box makes installation stupidly easy. No bubbles, no stress. Edge-to-edge coverage, case-friendly, and it keeps your screen looking new. So, the Amazon link is in the description of the video. The iPhone unavailable or security lockout screen appears when the wrong passcode is entered too many times. This is Apple's security system protecting your data. Once the iPhone reaches the unavailable screen, there is no way to unlock it using the old passcode. Resetting the iPhone is the only possible solution. Resetting the iPhone will erase all the data stored on the device. This includes photos, videos, apps, and messages. There is no method that removes the unavailable screen while keeping all of your data on the phone. Your data can be restored after resetting. If you were signed into iCloud before, iCloud backup was turned on before, and a backup exists. After setting up, you can restore everything from iCloud. If no backup exists, the erased data cannot be recovered. Any video claiming otherwise is misleading you. Now let's start fixing the iPhone. On the unavailable screen, tap Forgot Passcode or Erase iPhone. Select Start iPhone Reset. Apple warns you about data removal. Make sure the iPhone is connected to Wi-Fi or mobile data. If your iPhone is not connected to Wi-Fi or it cannot be, so insert a SIM card and turn on your mobile data. Enter the Apple ID linked to this iPhone. So, if you do not either remember the Apple ID which was linked to your device before, so that's another problem for you. Then you need a computer to reset your iPhone, and this method will not gonna work for you. You can check out my description of this video to find out the method you need. So once you insert your Apple ID here, this removes activation lock and turn off Find My iPhone on your iPhone. The iPhone erases all the data and restarts automatically. It is better to connect your iPhone to the charging cable while this resetting is happening. After restart, you can set up as a new iPhone or restore from iCloud backup using the same Apple ID. The tools claiming to unlock iPhone unavailable without Apple ID or data loss are scams. This method is Apple's official solution. If this video helped you, like, subscribe, and comment below. Thanks for watching.